Oof, look at this. Grabe. Dapat tatasandok yan naman yung kutsara. Kanina.
I'm Kennedy May, Veray season. I'm 32 years old sa Macabebest. This is our second branch. First encounter ko is nag-start sila kasi sa bahay. Yung founder is our dear friend. So when they decided to put up this business, we are one of their supporters na talagang pinupush namin sila na mag-start na kayo ng brand na to kasi promising yung product ninyo. Since day one, we are there para i-check from time to time na, kamusta itong pinagpe-pray ninyo na business. So, ayun, nung nakita namin ng potential, and then they open it sa mga franchisees nila. So, we grabbed the opportunity na kumuha din sa kanila. Kasi nakita talaga namin na napakaganda ng product nila, may pagmamalaki, and very promising talaga siya sa public. First branch namin is sa Dau, Mabalakad. It's located in Ninabel Subdivision. Katapat siya ng McDo. So yung first namin na yun it's just a very small store. Pero restaurant setup din siya. We also serve rice meals there. And then palabok, spaghetti, and then halo-halo. Sobrang supportive ng mga Mabalakeños doon until now. Here is San Isidro, what you can expect. So far, this is the biggest store of Macabebest. So we cater events, and then we offer party platters, and then personalized designs kung kailangan ng help for the event. You have dim sums, and then we also have, of course, rice meals. May mga sulit meals kami, or tipid meals, since kasi we also consider the employees near the area, and then there are lots of students also. Mostly kasi actually mga Kapampangan cuisine siya. So, lahat ng mga nakikita natin sa fiesta.
Yes. Wow.
So, we are bringing it to Macabebest. We are located in Isidore Arcade, San Isidro Village. Landmark here is DSWD Annex 3. We are open from 8 a.m. up to 8 p.m. and we are also catering Grab for deliveries. Yeah. Hello, besties! We are now open in Macabebest San Isidro. You can drop by here and check our store kung meron kayong mga cravings sa halo-halo. And if you don't have any time to cook at your home, you can also visit here because we offer rice meals and we have dim sums and then merienda. See you here and try our products. Hindi kayo magsisisi.